Hello and welcome everyone. After a long time, I'm making this video. So apologies for very late videos being uploaded. We have been taking multiple courses, multiple classes, and because of which we are not able to give time to make some videos. So here we are today on a new topic, which is a MT104, which is nothing but the direct debit and request for the debit transfer message. So we'll learn about this message format specification as per the Swift Message Standard Handbook, right? So let's start it. MT104, which is nothing but called as a direct debit and request for debit transfer message. All right. So let's learn something related to it. What is it used for? And what are the message format specification? Basically, the fields specification, right? So the use of this message type requires, first of all, it requires subscription. That is, or the bank needs to take a subscription from a message user group, message user group registration. So just like your MT103 MT103 remit extended remittance message user group registration was required. Just like that. Similar to that, it needs this message user group registration, then only one can send to another party if they are part of that message user group. So what exactly is MT104? Definition point of view, if you want to know what exactly is MT104. It is used to convey the customer direct debit instruction, basically. It is used to convey customer direct debit instruction. So having said that, the scope of this MT104 can vary depending upon one scenario to another. So for an example, let's take first scenario. It is sent by a non-financial institution account owner or a party authorized by the account owner to a financial institution to request a direct debit of the debtor's account with the receiver or with another financial institution, and subsequently to credit the creditor's account maintained by the receiver or one of its branches, right? So basically, it is sent by non-financial institution account owner or a party authorized by the account owner. Now, when I say about this, what does it mean? It can be a organization which is a non-banking non-financial institution, or it would have granted the financial institution to, let's say, send on behalf of us, right? So it would have, this State Bank of India can be a party authorized, right? To account owner, to a financial institution to request direct debit of the debtor's account with receivers or with another financial institution, and subsequently to credit the creditor's account maintained by receiver or one of its branches. So to summarize this, basically it can be sent by a non-financial institution account owner or a party authorized by the account owner to a financial institution to request direct debit of the debtors with receivers with another financial institution, and subsequently to credit the creditor's account maintained by the receivers to one of its branches. Another plenty of use cases for this MT104 is also there, and it can be defined in other way as well. So for use of the messages in the corporate to the bank environment, We can see to the empty message implementation guide. Some other example or the scope, if you want to see, let's say it can also be sent by the creditor's bank or another financial institution to the debtor's bank or another financial institution on behalf of the creditor instructing party to order the debit of the debtor's account and to collect the payment from this account, right? So let's directly deep dive into one format, the format specification of this MT104. This MT104 is also used in the Swift network, and it is very vastly used in the SEPA regions as well for your SEPA direct payment. So those who are working into direct debits, they would have been walking into the different pain related messages which is used, packs of pain related messages related to your SEPA payments. So if it was in empty format, it is MT104 which is used for the request for the direct debit. So let's see this MT104 format specification.